Rolling in it, unveiling the riches. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to unpack a very interesting expression, to be rolling in it. This phrase is quite colorful and has a lot to say about someone's financial status. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations to sound more like a native speaker. The phrase, to be rolling in it, is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is extremely wealthy or has a lot of money. Imagine money rolling in from every direction, and you've got the picture. It's a vivid way to say that someone doesn't just have money. They have so much that they could almost roll around in it like a bed of cash. While the exact origin of the phrase, to be rolling in it, might be a bit murky, it's clear that it draws on the imagery of abundance and excess. The term has been in use for several decades and reflects the idea of someone who has more money than they know what to do with. This expression is a part of a long tradition in English of using vivid imagery to talk about wealth and prosperity. Using to be rolling in it is fairly straightforward, but keep in mind it's a casual and somewhat playful expression. It's perfect for informal conversations. Here are a few examples. After that huge deal went through, Jeff is definitely rolling in it. You won that lottery? Wow, you're going to be rolling in it. With the success of her latest book, she's certainly rolling in it now. Remember, it's all about the context. This phrase adds a fun, informal layer to conversations about wealth and success. And there you have it, folks. The phrase, to be rolling in it, is a colorful way to talk about someone's wealth and financial success. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom, and you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Whether you're describing a friend's good fortune or talking about the latest billionaire, this phrase is sure to add some flair to your chat. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.